Hello adventurers! Meet the Jetboil MicroMo, your ultimate lightweight precision camping and backpacking stove cooking system. Designed with adjustable personal cooking for crafting, features a 0.8-liter tall flux ring cook cup with a flexible handle strap, ensuring reliability even in cold weather down to 20 degrees Fahrenheit. With its reduced fuel consumption, the MicroMo boils 16 ounces of water in just 2 minutes and 15 seconds, using half the fuel of traditional systems. Weighing only 12 ounces, this compact system saves space and weight, making it perfect for any outdoor adventure. The kit includes a MicroMo stove, cooking cup with cozy, a lid with pour spout and strainer, a bottom cup, and a fuel stabilizer tripod. It's compatible with accessories like a coffee press, hanging kit, utensils, skillet, and flux ring cooking pot. Enjoy peace of mind with a 1-year limited warranty, making the Jetboil MicroMo an essential companion for your next outdoor journey. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.